What's going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com coming at you today. Coming at you with as you seen on the thumbnail, a way to make free landing pages. In this, you can set up how to collect emails. You can set up, whenever you drive traffic, not straight to an affiliate offer. It helps with YouTube Facebook ads or Bing ads, Google ads, everywhere else that wants you to have a landing page versus just sending it straight to the offer. So, if y'all get any value out of this, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. I try to bring y'all a new video 5 days a week that, is going to bring you some sort of value, whether it be a piece of software that you can use or whether it's a something like this that you can use for free. I always try to give y'all value. So, without further ado, let's get started. Well, let's face it, we need to find an offer, right? So let's go over here to the ClickBank and see what we can find. Y'all know me, I'm generally a make money online type guy, but you know what? Let's do something a little strange and come down here to self-help. Y'all know I don't know nothing about this at all. It really don't matter because all this interchanges no matter what your niche is. You can do whatever you want to. Generally what I'll do, I'll pull up the opening page here, front end offer page, and hopefully it'll have text on it that I can copy and put on my landing page that way, or at least text that I can possibly reword or whatever. See, this has got a video, so even though you can skip the text presentation, let's not do that right now. Tell you what, let's go back to what I know. I know what I do. Where's it at? You know what, let's do this by gravity, that way it's at the top, I know where it's at. Come on, let's go. This one right here. Yes, this one has a sales video, but it also has text on it, so we can use it. That way it's a little bit better, than just sending them straight to video sales page, which there's nothing wrong with video sales page, but it makes it kind of hard to make a landing page that way. I'm trying to make it easier on us, for especially this example, to show you how to do this. Okay, I don't think mine will autoplay. So basically what I'd want to do, well, maybe it will autoplay. Here we go. I'd basically want to recreate this page, right? So what we do, we go over to Wix.com, right? If y'all don't know, Wix is completely free, okay? As you can see, I've got some already set up here. But what you would want to do is create a new site. While this is loading, this is 100% free as long as you use their, I think it's Wix.com/something stupid. It's what it is. Here it really doesn't matter what you choose. I'm going to choose business, not like it really matters, because you're going to use a blank page anyway. You're not using something. You can do it, let Wix create it, or you create it yourself, which of course is what you want to do, is create it yourself. That way you can set what you want on your page. I hope that makes sense. Let me show you. I mean, here they have a lot of different templates that you could use. which they're really nice templates, but it's not what we're looking for. None of these will really be what you're looking for. So basically what you do, you just come over here. Went too far. And click on blank template. And of course you want to start from scratch. You don't want any of the websites, you don't want none of that. You want to start it from scratch. Because if you do any others, it just gets to be a headache. You got to take all these different things out of it. Way this is, once my computer finally loads it, I'll show you. It's really simple to set up. Most of it's drop and drag, or drag and drop. Y'all know what I meant. You know, it's super easy to set up. It's not that difficult. As you see here, it's building it. Once it loads, we'll go in and edit what it does, and I'll show you how to create a free landing page. Matter of fact, while it's taking time to load this, I'll tell y'all that, you know, and the first link in the description, you could use this landing page to promote the first thing I've got in my description, which is a 15-day business challenge for you. It's $7. That's all it is $7. Now there is upsells on the back end if y'all feel like you need it. That's fine, but it comes with 15 days of training, and it comes with a coach. They give you what is the word I'm looking for here? They give you a business plan on how to start a profitable business online for that $7, and it's probably about 10 to 15 hours worth of training. I mean, it's a very good program for $7. I don't think you could really beat it anywhere. I know I've just now started really promoting it at all. You know, I've always told y'all first link in the description, passive income. It's what it's been, but I've not really been telling you what it was. And if you do it properly, you can make, God, there's one guy I've been doing it for about a year and a half, right at $1 million right now. So, you know, he has been crushing it, which, you know, results not typical, implied or anything else. It is what it is, and you get in what you put out. You know, you get out what you put in. That's the word I was looking for. Lord, this computer's taking forever in a day. I may have to pause this and come back while it's doing all this. Maybe not. Here we go. Okay. So, what you want to do, I'm up here to background to start with, because you need a background, right? And as y'all can see here, you can do mobile or desktop. Right now, I'm just going to focus on the desktop just because it's simple, it's easy. Let me see here. Where's the colors at? You gotta remember. Lord, my computer's being slow. That's okay. Give it a minute. We'll get there. Okay, here we go. Colors. This is what I do. Because you saw the background before was blue, I would just come there, pick a blue background. Oh, I don't want that. I want it blue. That color. Now you come over here and add. Come over here to the add box. As y'all see, this is super simple to do. And I just hate my computer's taking forever to show you as quick as it could be. And I apologize for that. But, you know, this will get you where you want to be here. Add a heading. You want to add this heading. There we go. It come up. Now come back over here to your actual affiliate page. What I do is that right there, I just copy this. And see, that's the one that's the one I want. Okay, so here. I would copy and paste this. Ah, no I didn't. Yeah, I did. Hold on a minute. I screwed up. Give me a second. Copy this again. Now come back and hit paste. See this? That way you can do that. Now you need to come in here and get it to where you can see it. And you come in here and I think yeah, okay. I've covered it all now. I believe this is that's the color button. What you do, you come in here. Of course, I'd select white, that way you can read it. And just hit add color, and you can close this. Close this. And for the time being, we're just going to close that. And what you would do, you widen this out. Come on, you. You can take this and move it around the page. If it'll move here for us. Scroll back up, that way we put this at the top of the page. Yes, my computer being super slow. Oh, too far. You got to keep it below this dotted line. Ah. Okay. Now, drag this on out a little bit farther. That way you can get it to... What is this? Why are you acting up? But anyway, y'all get the drift of that. So, well, I don't like that. I want to get it right. What? It's got to be because I'm on recording the screen. There we go. Now, we're going to kill this. I don't know what that is. And what you would do then, you hit add. I mean, this is going to be a real simple landing page for you guys, but y'all get the gist of what I'm telling you. If this ain't gonna worth anything. Okay, here we go. Here we go, buttons. If my computer will speed up. Now see, because this is a blue background, even though if I remember right, I want text buttons, people. If I remember right, it was like an orange color. right? And it was kind of that shape. No, it was actually a yellow color and it was square. But anyway, since I messed up, let's do this. Let's just go with this. It'll be quick. Let's just say, tell me more. What do you say? This thing, I swear. And what you would do, and of course you'd make this thing bigger. That way people can see it. Cause right there it's kind of small, you know. There we go, I like that, that's a decent size. That's decent size, which I know you could add in your email and everything else to collect, right? So what you would do then, you come over here, hit promote, of course. Y'all know how to get your link. I know you know how to get a link from ClickBank. Everybody knows how to get a link. But if not, I'm going to show you real quick. Not like it's hard. You know, it comes up. You hit generate hop link. And there it is. You just copy it. See, you successfully copied it. So now you close that. Now you come back over here to UX Editor. You see here where it says add a link. You want it to go to a web address. Okay? And then you paste it right there. Hit done. Of course it'll open a new window, which is fine. It's not. If you want it to open in the same window, you can do that. But there, we're basically done editing this for now. So what you do, you hit publish. And as you see, it'll give you a free Wix domain, right? Of course, it's my email with, and it says my site, which this is 12-minute affiliate, so I put 12 men on it. That way I know what it is. Save and continue. That's really as simple as it is on this. Okay. And if you want to see what it would look like, hit the preview button. And it should come up. There you go. This is exactly what it'd be like. This is what it'd look like. Granted, you could put in whatever else you want. But that's the gist of it. So, you know, I want to say thank y'all for watching today, and I'll come at you with another video again tomorrow. And like I said, check out the first link in the description. If you liked what I told you, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down button. But do me a favor and subscribe. I try to bring y'all valuable content every day. Appreciate it.